Phew, it's freezing today, eh? No, I can't do it. I'm only giving them 2 months, you'll see. They'll be here, right where they started. I'm big boned. Hey, no, bafanele kalokubona because they went to these multiracial schools, you know. Hey, Choma, I've tried everything, everything, and now I don't think this will work for me. Really now? Hello. Welcome to the Real Chat, a show where we talk about anything and everything that will help you create the kind of life that you desire. My name is Vuyisani Sholo, and today we're going to be talking about how to stop making excuses. Wow. The major thing, the only thing that's standing between where you are right now and where you want to go is what you keep telling yourself. Every excuse that you make is hindering you from getting and reaching that goal. That's why it's important for you to learn to divorce excuses, to learn not to entertain excuses, to learn to stop making excuses. Because the moment you stop making an excuse is the moment you'll see change in your life. The moment you divorce excuses is the moment you'll begin to see that things are improving in your life. So excuses are powerful. Excuses are very strong, but the good news is that we have control over how we respond to them. Nobody is immune to excuses. You know, everyone gets that moment where you've got a lot of excuses come, but we do have control, however, of how we respond to them. Do we entertain them, or do we rather not entertain them at all? Do we give them a chance to sink in and influence us in a bad way, or do we rather say, you know what, you're just an excuse, I'm gonna do what I'm supposed to do? Now, the reason why you're not immune to excuses is because one of the primary roles of your brain is to protect you against anything that poses as a threat into your body. If your brain looks at it and thinks, no, this is a threat, it'll come up with excuses, valid excuses that is, so you don't get to do that. That's why, for example, when you plan that, you know what, tomorrow I'm going to go exercise, you will come up with a lot of excuses as to why you must not exercise. Why? Because that's going to take you out of your comfort zone. So your brain perceives it as danger into your body, and that's why you'll come up with these valid excuses. Now, you need to understand that excuses are valid, especially to the person who's making them. They are very valid, but their primary purpose is to ensure that you don't do that which you had planned or that which you want to do. Their sole purpose is to ensure that you don't get to where you want to go. That's their primary reason, no matter how valid they are. That's why you do not want to entertain excuses at all. Now, here's how you can stop making them. Number one, you want to make sure that you plan. So get into the habit of journaling. Write down what it is that you have to do. Preferably the night before you go to bed. Take some time out, 5-10 minutes. Write down what it is that you need to do that day. Write it down, journal it. That will help you commit to it. The moment you do that, you must know those tasks are 50% done. The moment you are aware of what you need to do the following day, if you can't do it the night before, do it early in the morning when you rise up, when you wake up. Write down, this is what I need to do today. These are the important tasks I need to do today. You can journal it, you can write it in your phone, it's up to you, but I'm a big fan of writing down on a journal. So you want to write down. Number two, you don't just want to write those plans and those goals down and leave it like that. No. After you've written them down, now you want to schedule them. Put them on your calendar. Make sure they're there. Because if you just write them down and leave them there, chances are they won't happen. I mean, things will come. You'll have a hectic day and sometimes you can't really do them. So you want to write them down and schedule them. Put them on your calendar. That will mean that those tasks will be done. Number three, you want to commit to those tasks. You want to commit to making sure that you complete them. Now, how you commit, it depends on that particular task. Number one, if, for example, you have told yourself that you're going to wake up early and exercise. So you want to make sure, number one, that you set that alarm, for that time, whatever time you want to wake up at. Set that alarm. Number two, you want to make sure that you take all your sporting gear, your exercise gear, your running shoes, whatever it is that you're going to need, put it next to your bed. closer to you where you won't have to look for it. The moment you wake up, you get into it, and then you exercise. So if, for example, you've been postponing an appointment with someone, your mentor or whoever, right away give them a phone call, schedule that appointment. So you want to make sure that you commit. So the most important thing here is that we must stop making excuses. There must be no room for excuses in your life if you want to progress. So a quick recap: you want to journal, write down what it is that you need. Ask yourself, what is it that I need to do today or tomorrow? Write that down. Number 2, you want to schedule that, put it in your calendar. Number 3, you want to commit to that. If you found this video very valuable and helpful, please consider sharing it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click that notification bell and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.